everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7 on your iPhone. So, normally, we can create a widget and use it to check battery percentages, but as you can see I added and we have no information about the speaker. So, the only way to check battery percentages is to use Sony Music Center application. Tap on it, and if you add your speaker to the application, right here, it will open this menu, and right here at the top you can check battery percentages. Also, you can press one time at the battery button at the back side of your speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!